Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to get Twitch on Roku. Let's go. Open search. Find Twitch app. These are unofficial applications. And they don't work. What to do? Open App Store on your phone. Find and install Twitch app. Turn on screen mirroring. Your phone and your Roku TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Twitch is broadcast from the phone to the Roku. Are there any other ways? Yes, use firestick. That's it. Now you know how to get Twitch on Roku. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.